Hello, I'm Lavonna Zeller-Williams-Bratschi, and this is Z Ocarina 6-hole Lesson 3. All of our lessons come from the Z Ocarina 6-hole instruction book, which is available at zellerware.com. Today's lesson comes from pages 1 and 2. If you notice on page 1, we have our icons for C, D, and E. We will be using our warm-ups from the bottom of the page. And our featured song is Simple Allouette, which is our version of Alouetta. In today's lesson, we will be using the notes C, D, and E. As we play in today's lesson, remember that your fingers need to cover all of the holes for C. For D, you're going to lift your second finger on the right hand off of that smallest hole. And to play an E, you're going to lift your first finger of your right hand off of that hole. As we practice warm-ups today, you will play a familiar warm-up and then you're going to reverse it. So we're going to start off with C, D, E, D, but then the next warm-up you're going to start with E, and you're going to go E, D, C. If you get frustrated, don't worry about it. Just keep trying. You'll get better and better. The more you practice, the better you get. Continue this video. Let's work on our warm-ups, and then we'll play Simple Allouette. Good luck. Welcome to Z Ocarina 6-hole Lesson 3. Today we will be playing notes C, D, and E. Our featured song today is Simple Allouette. Let's begin with our first warm-up. 1, 2, ready, here we go. C, D, E, D, C, D, E, D, C, D, E, D, C, E, C, and rest. Let's move on to our next warm-up by inverting those notes and starting with E this time. Ready? 1, 2, ready, here we go. E, D, C, D, E, D, C, D, E, D, C, D, E, C, E, and rest. Are you ready to move on to our featured song? Simple Allouette. Listen to the timing of the notes. Alouette, simple Alouette. Ocarina, learning how to play. This first time through, I will say the names of the notes. Here's your tempo. 1, 2, ready, here we go. C, D, E, E, D, C, D, E, C, 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 D, E, E, D, C, D, E, C. Do you feel like you need to have a little bit more practice? It's okay to stop the video and watch the notes as you practice them. Let's play it again from the top. 1, 2, ready, here we go. Alouette, simple Alouette. Ocarina, learning how to play. And one more time. 1, 2, ready, here we go. Alouette, simple Alouette. Ocarina, learning how to play. Excellent job. I hope you enjoyed playing with us today. Please hit the subscribe button, like this video, and ring the bell for more tutorial videos from zellerware.com. Our Z Ocarina curriculum, ocarinas, and instructional materials are available at zellerware.com.